Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of GardenArc. So in this episode, I'm going to talk about the spider plant that we earlier used to propagate in this small pot. And some of my friends from my YouTube channel, from this channel, they have asked me about an update about this spider plant. So I used to grow two types of spider plant, which is having thinner leaves and another leaves is having a little bit thicker than this. So these two types of spider plant earlier I have propagated and they are really growing well. So during this rainy season, it's been raining since last 7 days. So beside this 3 propagation, I got success ratio is 10 out of 10. So this success ratio, I would like to appreciate the mother plant, which is here. That this was the main mother plant I used to propagate from here, and this also has been propagated from another plant that I used to having in that corner in my garden. So this is now a little bit massive, and the very common question that I used to have is what would be the best soil for this spider plant. So see, it's basically depending on our weather, and this is a kind of a tough plant for me. So whatever soil you are using, you make sure that it has a good water draining system. So you can also see my from previous videos, so that also is having quite a lot of explanation about the compact soil, which is good for this kind of spider plant. So I think this could be a very quick short go through on this spider plant collection in my garden. If you have any further question or queries, just let me know. I'll be getting in your touch. So thanks for watching. Keep comment if you have any queries. Thank you so much.